Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video I'm going to be showing how to revive your dry natural hair or your hair in general. So I allowed this mess happen to my hair. I left my hair to dry out so that I'll be able to achieve this video. So please be kind to like, share and subscribe. Please like my video so YouTube can push the algorithm. Thank you. So nothing much to see here, just me prepping my hair before I start. So I'm going to be showing you how to revive your hair in just 3 simple steps: hydration, moisturizing and sealing your hair. So first we're going to start with hydrating the hair. You're just going to incorporate water into your hair properly till you're satisfied. Just spray your hair. You can replace this with a hair growth spray, but I'm using water here I'm just trying to keep it simple here. Then you can massage when you feel it's okay. Don't massage your dry hair because your hair is prone to breakage. When your hair is dry, it's prone to breakage. That's why you feel your hair is not growing. Your hair is not growing. You feel your hair is not growing because it's breaking, and it's breaking because your hair is dry. And yes, I am using warm water because I have low porosity hair, but you can just use lukewarm water or anything. Yeah, that will work fine too. For the second stage, moisturizing, I am using Mega Good leave-in conditioner. I already reviewed this conditioner, so you can just check out my page, or I'll pin the link in my description box. So that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to just spread it over my hair generously. I'm going to spoil my hair today. You're going to see plenty white on my hair because I applied it generously, because my hair has been crying for treatment and I was depriving it because of this video. And yeah, a good massage again. So now I have applied it enough for me. So now if you notice, now my hair is dropping. It's no longer standing like the way it was standing at the beginning. So you can see now that it's already feeding. Yeah, that's what I like to say, that my hair is feeding. So you can see it's already feeding and it's already getting happy. So yeah. Now for the final and the crown of it all. I don't know why this one was freezing to open. My hand was already so sleepy. So now I'm using coconut. I am using coconut oil for this to seal my hair. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil. You can use your preferred oil choice. You can use your growth oil. Whatever oil you want to use to seal. Just make sure you lock in moisture. Always make sure you seal in moisture so that you don't waste your time. That's what the oil is for. You apply to your scalp, apply to your roots, your ends, your body of your hair. Yeah, just apply generously. Don't manage products. It's your hair products. Use it. So yeah, I just continue sealing and sealing and sealing the whole hair. I just pray I don't get product build up because I'm beginning to see that I overdid it at this point. But yeah, just did properly. I'm just checking. Just apply generously. Apply what will work for you. Okay. So if you're still watching at this point, thank you very much. I really appreciate. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in my next video.